Hello, we are the Undecided Code and we are about to discuss the Arduino activity. And here are the member of Undecided Code. Jovan Sarmiento, Giovanni Dayo, Roland Ansau, Joseph Kent Federizo.
Presented to Dr. Earl Marquez Elvina.
Here are the components of AP13 motor pan, 9 times of jumper cables mm, 2 times of resistor 220R, and 1 piece of push button, 1 piece of relay, and 130 motor 1 piece, fan 1 piece, and 5 LED 1 piece.
Here's the source code of Arduino Project 13. This section initializes all the variables and pins used in the program. Pin assignments: it assigns the button to digital pin 2, button pin, and the relay to digital pin 3, relay pin. State variables: it declares several variables to keep track of the button and relay states. Relay state stores the current state of the relay, high or low. Button state store the current state of the button. Last button state stores the previous state of the button to detect a change. Timing variables: it sets up variables for the debouncing logic. Last debounce time records the last time the button state changed. Debounce delay sets a 50 millisecond delay to ignore button fluctuations. The setup: this function runs once at the beginning to set up the pins and initial states. Pin modes: it configures the button pin as an input since it will be reading a signal from the button. It sets the relay pin as an output since it will be sending a signal to control the relay. Initial state: it sets the initial state of the relay to relay state, which is high, effectively turning the relay on when the program starts. The loop function's job is to continuously check the button and control the relay. It does this in 3 steps. Read the button: it reads the state of the button, press or not press. Debounce check: it uses a delay of 50 milliseconds to ensure that the button press is real and not just an electrical bounce. This prevents the relay from rapidly turning on and off multiple times for a single press. Toggle the relay: once a stable button press is confirmed, it toggles the state of the relay. If it was on, it turns off. If it was off, it turns on. It then sends a signal to the relay pin to physically change its state.